Nice. Hey everybody.
Nice to see a lot of you in here. Can we see how many people are in?
No.
I don't know.
Okay.
We're still fiddling around with the browsers here, so
yeah, there's a lot.
yeah, there's a lot. Yeah.
So hi everyone. Who wants to win a?
He's always directly going for the thing.
We can hold one each. Come on.
Yeah, we can hold
one
each. Yeah,
so these are the two that are up for grabs today. Not these ones because these have been opened, but brand new ones shipped directly to you from Banggood. And although they normally only ship in the USA, they are, because I told them I wouldn't do it otherwise. They're going to ship worldwide. So any of you, in fact 2 of you tonight are going to win one of these. I'll just mention about the competition. So whoever wins,
they know.
I want to win. Okay, right. So so just one thing I want to mention. Banggood, the office, the promotional office, are on holiday because of the May bank holiday. So whoever wins, they will not be shipped out till the 4th of May. I'll just mention that. Okay. From the 4th of May, they will be shipped out. I will get some tracking numbers and get them on to you guys. Okay.
Guys, be gentle to me. I have to type them down. So
it's okay. It's okay.
You have all evening to type here. I want to win, but they already know. Crap.
It's okay.
That's why I suggested the other.
Okay. So all the I want to wins. You're all going to get your username that we see you logged in now written down on a little slip of paper. You passed me one of the post-its.
Yeah.
So they're all going to get written down on these, okay, and they're all going to go into this box. Now I just want to show you the box is empty. It has some gaffer tape in the bottom of there, so none of these can actually slip underneath the flaps. Yeah, they can't get lost. So your name will be written on as we go tonight on the live, and we will put them in the box. We're going to try our best just to read out the names back to you when they go in the box so that you know you have been entered, okay?
Yeah, and you don't need to spam.
And you don't need to spam it, yeah. Once each, okay, once each. We will check later after the live stream to make sure that whoever won only entered once, yeah?
Yeah.
That's fair enough.
That sounds like
yeah. So, towards the end, I'm going to hold this high. We're going to give it a good shake. I'm going to hold this high up. And then Carlos or Det, one of them will steer with a hand and take one out. And that's how the winner will get drawn from that. On the Learn Electronics Repair, on the community post, we have 290 roughly entrances on that one.
Look at that.
So it's okay.
I hope this scrolls with me.
Yeah.
I really hope.
So we have about 200. I'll just check for you one, guys. 1 second. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair.
So I got the richer man on the notebook here. Sorry.
Yeah, no. So
okay.
This is going to take a while to write all of you down.
Yeah.
There are a lot more.
Don't expect much from me today because I'm
going to be busy doing.
I'm being the secretary today. I'm wearing my pencil skirt right now, and yeah, this is really tight. I tell you.
Yeah. So the other competition, we have 294 comments. Now, because there was a mess up with the link that GotchaFix gave me, a few of the comments are not saying I want to win. But we're going to just say there's 294. We're going to use a spinning wheel, an online thing, to generate a number. And then counting from the top, whichever is that number, is 1. Yeah?
Sounds like
if the number comes out as a line that doesn't say I want to win, then we will spin it again and do it again.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's how we're going to do that one.
And we're going to do this first. We're going to do this at
6:30?
6:30, yeah.
That one, and then we'll do the draw from this afterwards. Yeah. Okay? Oh, I shouldn't have the branding on that side because this is GotchaFix, not there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not supposed to be weird this time.
Okay. So it's slowed down a little bit. Detlef is now going to start writing numbers on, and we will shout you all out to put me in the box. And in the meantime, Carlos and me are going to have some fun with some stuff.
They do some entertainment.
We'll do some entertainment.
You have to do the camera work.
Yeah. So I am the videographer. Okay.
So the first thing we want to play with is this. How do we get the overhead camera? Are you going to get the camera on for us?
Yeah, the mouse over here.
Okay. Det's going to be quiet now. He's busy entering all you guys.
Okay, so handheld. There we go.
Okay, so...
1 sec, guys. There we go.
I don't know if you guys saw this. I did a review of this, so I actually bought this off AliExpress myself, and it was about €20.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, and this is a chip tester.
Sorry, guys.
It's okay. That's it.
There
That's
we
easy.
go.
Yeah. This is a little chip tester. So at the moment, there's no chip in. If we press and hold the button, see it's flashing ERR. Can you see that?
Yeah, error, pretty much.
ERR. And then you put a chip in this, like a logic chip, and it actually tells you
What it is.
what it is. Yeah, so if I just grab a logic chip, one moment.
It looks quite simple.
Yeah, so it's 7400 series or it's 4000 series. So we put the chip in that way.
So, okay, pin number 1 on that side.
Yeah, actually looks kind of like upside down. We have to lift the little thing first. Oh, nice one.
Bless you.
Jesus Christ.
So we put the
I
chip
had
in.
some allergy, guys. Sorry.
We hold the button in, and it's saying 74
744.
74HC32. So it actually knows it's a HC.
So, if you put in another one.
We put in another one from something else.
Yeah.
Actually, I just grabbed a drawer that only has those. Does it? No, it has some others.
Yeah.
It doesn't recognise everything.
No, of course not. It can. How do you differentiate if they don't have any ID pins?
Well, yeah, so it doesn't recognise everything. CD455. CD4556.
Yeah, and that should be what it says.
Well, actually,
75.
this is actually a 74HC139. But I'm sure if you look that data sheet up, you'll find that is the equivalent of the other one.
Of the CD something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what was so clever about this, and this is what I want to try.
Guys, this is going very bad because I'm starting at somewhere 5 minutes in with my live chat on the notebook.
And yeah, no, it won't work. Should we try my way instead?
No, we can't because these are in there, so I need to scroll over there. So sorry for that.
Yeah. Oh.
You're going to do off that, okay? I think that'll be easier.
Well, no, it isn't. It is bad because you guys need to switch cameras and stuff.
Yeah. So
yeah, this is going to suck.
All you got to do is write the names on bits of paper and I'll call them out
about 100.
yeah, it's over 200 already.
Yeah, it's
okay. Get working.
Yeah, I do.
Get working. So
okay, so that
this tester, this is the interesting thing.
There we go.
It will test LM358.
Give me the box, please.
I'll put them in the box when I've
No, I need the box to drop my stuff in there.
You're not shouting the names
The
out.
things. Should we do that? We should
Give it to me.
No, we
I'll
need
shout
no,
it
no,
off
no,
every turn.
that won't work.
Okay, guys.
You must believe me. I brought
Way too many to do this.
Yeah, that's way too many. That won't fly.
Okay. So let's see. Is that LM? Okay, LM.
Oh, okay. So we have an LM358.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put this in the tester.
Is the glare?
And we press the.
Wait.
I'll tilt it.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Oh, yep.
So it's saying 358.
Yeah, it does.
358. Okay.
That's impressive.
Yeah, but what's even more impressive is I've now found some more op amps.
Obscure ones.
Obscure ones, which are the same pin for pin compatible with that one.
Okay.
These
These don't have any ID pins, so it shouldn't be able to.
So I'll just tell you what I have. I'll just shout it out to the mate what it is. I actually have here. This is so hard to read. Guys, give me a moment. I'll tell you what I have. OPA 134. So OPA 134.
Yeah.
I looked up the data sheet and that's a pin for pin compatible.
It's exactly the same, but with another.
It's
brand.
a dual op amp.
Yeah.
Pin for pin. Yeah.
It's another brand that does
Another
the same.
brand. But what does it do?
PC.
Oh.
Oh, it's showing something else.
It thinks that one is a PC817 is an opto isolator.
Yeah.
So I think we've managed to fool it. I was trying to see if I could fool this.
Yeah. You actually managed to fool it, yeah.
He thinks that's an opto isolator, unless I'm wrong about it. LF353. This is an op amp. Okay. Pin for pin compatible with that one. Look.
ERR. Yeah.
ERR. So
Error.
although these two are pin compatible dual op amps, that one says 358 and this one says error.
So
And what I want to know is, we'll just try one more.
yeah. So
This is a BA4560. This is another often used in audio mixers.
yeah.
Dual op amp, pin for pin compatible.
So
Yeah.
the only thing I can think
What?
of it's measuring
ERR.
is some kind of resistance or capacitance value inside or between some pins, and they're different for different makes.
Yeah.
That's the only way, actually.
This is an LM393.
Because if it's pin for pin compatible,
Yeah. So this is LM393, another op amp, yeah?
mm-hmm.
393.
Yeah. So that one it's actually
It knows it. But
very nice.
what I want to know, have you guys any idea, how does it know the difference between one dual op amp and another?
Yeah, it has to be. There's different resistance values between the pins or something. There's no other way to tell because these don't have ID numbers inside like microcontrollers do. You can ask them what they are, pretty much.
Well, the same's true with logic chips, yeah?
Yeah, you can.
But this actually knows if it's a 74HC
Yeah.
or if it's just a 74.
Yeah, exactly. You can't ask them what they are.
So how does it know?
The HC probably has a higher resistance on one of the
Something
gates or one of the inputs, probably.
So you can see this thing.
That's the idea.
So you can see this thing. How do...
It's quite simple.
I can't see any components.
Yeah, it has a small microcontroller on
Where?
Near the bottom.
Where?
That one over there.
That's
No, that's not a microcontroller. What?
no, that's a voltage regulator.
No. It's a voltage regulator.
Can we get under the microscope?
Yeah.
Let's get under the microscope. One moment. So
Micro, thank you.
yeah, if you switch to this one,
Yeah,
that's what.
he's already done that. Okay.
Okay, I think I can actually get this. Is it F11 goes to full screen?
Y-
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got it. Focus.
F11, you're not at full screen.
I'm not at full screen.
No. So F11. No. Okay. So
Maybe
let's do it old-fashioned way.
full screen projector.
There we go.
Okay, we're full screen now. So this is a little tester, and from what I can see,
There are no microcontrollers.
no, that is just a.
There has to be.
This is a little buck converter. You can see it's a buck converter.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. So it's taking the 1.5 volt and stepping it up to some voltage that the chips are using. We have a start button. We have the 7-segment display. But I can't see anything else. But there must be.
There has to be a micro somewhere.
So where is it?
That's a very good question.
So
Under the button? No, there's nothing under the diode over there. Or the inductor.
yeah.
No, that's just a... That is a through-hole component, but I don't see any solder
On which?
on the back side.
On which the
On the 7 segment.
the 7-segment display.
Yeah, it's a through-hole component.
Yeah.
You see the pins go in, but
But
you
you don't
don't,
see anything.
you don't have anything on the back side.
So we're thinking, is this?
That's a cap.
Yeah. So can we get that off? Let's do a teardown.
Yeah, we probably can.
So we switch the
do you need the instructions in Chinese?
I don't need the instructions.
You're back to the handheld camera.
We're back to the handheld now.
Yep.
So can we get to the part? I'm
Yeah.
interested to see what's in this side,
Mhm.
in this thing, because it's an amazing little device.
Okay, so knife would probably be my first.
Okay. Carlos is the king of the destruction normally here.
Yeah.
I mean, it was €20. I like it, but I have to buy another one.
I haven't destroyed something yet that doesn't start.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet, but it has started again. Okay, I got under a corner.
Okay. Then you get into the shot.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry guys, I can't do anything here.
No.
No.
Look at this, I'm
Yeah.
more than halfway back.
Yeah, no. I know.
You could go. It'll slow down a bit. Right. So can we get this off and can we see what's on it?
Yeah, we can. Could you give me some IPA? That would help
Yes.
slide this off
Right.
without destroying anything. I got. a
You
corner.
can simply pull this like this.
No, it started to bend. So yeah, if I want to destroy,
IPA.
if I want to destroy it, yeah.
Do you want a brush or something?
Yeah, a small brush to drip it down,
Okay.
and that will actually loosen the glue. I do this a lot for video games as well because they have stickers on from rental places and other stuff, and it's a pain in the ass to get off. So you just have to go slow and do this.
Okay.
Put in some and then push at the same time, and you get it off without any issues.
Ah.
See?
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Wasn't meant to shake the camera for you.
Probably have used heat.
Yeah, heat works as well. I usually don't do that for labels on video games because you burn the label underneath. But yeah, in this case, yeah, you can use heat.
Of course, this technique is working fine.
Yep, it is working. It is double-sided tape that's holding that down.
Okay.
So I still don't see a micro. Is the micro inside
Let's
the
get
seven
into the
segments?
microscope again. Let's have a look.
Oh, so, sorry that. Okay, so this is the backside with some glue residue.
What's it say on it?
It says made in China, version 2014. Oh, it's an old stock.
Okay, KT152 with a telephone number.
No.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
152. Okay, this
That's
helps.
the model of the thing
This
itself.
helps. So
Yeah.
for, if I look for new firmware, this is probably where I'm going to go.
Well, it says that on the label anyway. It said it was a KT152, and that's what it said on the list. On
So,
AliExpress
look-
also.
Looking at this, I would guess the 7 segment has some kind of micro built in.
No, surely.
Yeah, it's big enough.
No, it's under the sieve.
There are no pins.
There's no
Yeah,
pins.
they don't need to be pins because
Oh yeah, it's a surface
SMD.
mount. Surface mount. Yeah, under the sieve.
guys, come on.
Yeah, you're right. Where is the? Oh, yeah.
Would you want some more?
Yeah, no.
I need
there's-
to explain this stuff, man. What's going on
So,
here?
so what you're saying, Detlef, is
There should be a micro under the sieve connector.
Yeah, I would. I'm sorry,
Under
this
the-
is- under the sieve.
Under the
under that.
Yeah.
under this connector right here, there should be a micro.
Can we see down the edge?
Yeah, we should see.
That's the only place where it can go.
Yeah, you are right, and I actually see vias exactly in the middle of the sieve.
Let's have it under the microscope.
Yeah,
Everybody else can see.
I am going to try to take off the. Can you? I get some more alcohol.
Yes.
Alcohol, beer.
Oh, somebody mentioned alcohol.
Yeah.
Isopropyl and vodka.
Oh
Isopropyl
my
and
God.
Coke. Isopropyl and Coke.
We wouldn't be the first one to try that. That's,
We may as well switch to the camera live. We just look at some blurred.
yes.
Oh yeah, the guys don't see anything here.
Okay. I can do
get
it.
you. Can
Okay.
get you the handle.
There we go. Thank you. I don't want to bother you too much. I know you're in pain over there.
Yeah, I hate this.
My idea was better.
And
But-
where's your idea now?
You didn't do it. This was the start.
Bastard.
My idea was they put a normal comment in the comments and I can use a website to actually do
Well,
it.
no, but it's too late now.
No,
Yeah, it's
I
too late.
already
We've
have
made
you.
the rules and we ain't changing
Yeah.
them.
Yeah, no.
Nuria
For next one.
I want to win really early, so I have you already in the box there. Muddy 11111.
Yeah, try not to.
Enter more than once, guys, because you
Yeah.
will be disqualified.
Please don't
Yeah.
enter more than once because I have to write this shit down. And
And we won't
Yeah.
notice that it's unfair, so you will be disqualified if you've entered more than once. We will check the winner.
yeah, well, Nuria put the I want to
Yeah,
get in
it's-
before 5 o'clock, so this is
Okay.
maybe a safety thing.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We'll.
Yeah, I don't read comments right
those
now because
slide.
I'm about half a screen width away.
Okay.
Okay.
Micro over here. Sorry, guys.
Like so.
Okay, so I'm back. And yeah, there are vias in the middle, if you can see right there, under the zip, and this shouldn't have anything underneath normally.
Can you see down through it?
No, I don't think
No.
you will
Hot
be
air
able
and remove this.
remove the zip.
Remove the zip, yeah.
Yeah, there is
That's
some
the
kind of spacer on the side.
That's the
here.
only way. And I think look at this on one side. It's more
Yeah,
on the right, on the left, on the right. It's more flat.
yeah, it's even farther down here. Yeah. So there is some kind of spacer holding it up.
Electronic repair. Oh, never heard this. There's so many interesting channels.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't see how they've got.
So let's try to desolder the zip.
I'll have to do it on my bench with the desoldering gun.
Yeah, well, that doesn't take too long, right?
If you could.
Hey, do you need the desoldering gun for that? Just hot air, right? And some
Yeah, hot air and
chip
and Just a bit, just a kick.
Yeah, just a kick up. Yeah, they're not protruding very much.
But they are protruding a bit.
Yeah. It's going to be hard with hot air, I guess. With the desoldering.
Okay,
Go for hot air and.
Hot air, a lot of flux,
no, you don't need flux. You only need a screwdriver flathead and simple
okay, but yeah, you have to heat up the entire thing. Yeah.
Got you.
Remove the battery. Just the kids.
Yeah. Dion boys got you.
Jesus. Guys, sorry for not answering comments in the questions because we can't see them. There's only I want to win.
Yeah, I only see I want win. I want to win.
Yeah, we will get there.
We will get there.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, with this, it's probably not the thing to do on the live stream to dismantle it. So I will
do that on your channel.
Do it on my channel later. We'll do a teardown on my channel, guys, because this is not just simple to find out what's in it.
It is a microcontroller.
I'm sure there is a microcontroller under there somewhere.
The via is exactly in the middle of a SIF connector that shouldn't have anything underneath. So, and there's a lot of them. So
here.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is one of these glop blop.
Yeah, probably.
Chips.
So yeah, a glop top or epoxy blob or whatever you want to call it.
Come on, this takes 5 minutes to get this hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
Go for it. Well, if I go for that, then you guys will have to entertain everybody else.
I'll entertain.
So Carlos has to entertain.
Oh, hooray!
Okay, I'll try to hit us apart, guys.
Drag down Carlos, entertaining.
Want to show them a bit about the multimeter that can win?
Yeah. So why not?
Mookie got you.
So the
Alejandra Campos.
Yeah. The multimeter is quite nice. It has normal leads. This one has some condoms on.
This already has custom leads.
Yeah.
I said in my test that the
leads are
that came with that. That one my taste. This is my taste.
Yeah.
Leads.
So these are Detlef's own leads. Yeah. Okay. So what makes this actually worth using? We tested it out on your channel and on Richard's. I haven't done a review on it, but it's fine. Two reviews is enough. So.
Well, I think this gives people more insights because you will have a totally different view than I did. So,
I probably do because I use them differently.
Yeah.
So it has a few pros I like about it. It's not fast enough for the work I do when I design stuff, but it's good enough to tell you if a signal is there or not. That helps when I fix the car or when I try to figure out why my motherboard is not turning on. I can check the EEPROM, for example, for activity and other stuff. And it's isolated. So this makes it really safe to do work on some high voltage stuff as well, to measure signals there. Because the bench ones are usually not isolated and are connected to the ground of your wall outlet. And that makes a feedback loop, and you will probably fry your oscilloscope quite fast if you don't know what you're doing.
Your oscilloscope to hot ground if your oscilloscope is grounded.
Yeah, exactly. Hot ground and ground is not the same.
It's not really like the same. They don't like meeting each other.
Yeah, so hot ground and ground would probably fry the entire thing. So actually, I bought the oscilloscope for not too long ago, a cheap one, and I actually opted for a USB one instead of a pinch one, a normal one, because it is isolated and I can't screw up that badly, so I kill it instantly at least. I'm not a specialist at oscilloscopes or anything. I suck at them. I haven't used them much. I used them in school a while, and then I never had the money for one, so I do know the basics, what they do, what they don't do. What else? Yeah, it's fast enough for normal hobby work.
It's 12 megahertz, buddy.
Yeah.
Well, let's say it's 8. Come on.
Yeah.
12 would stretch the thing.
It's not stable at 12, but it's stable enough at 8. So, but 8 megahertz gives you quite a bit of leeway. Okay, so give me a sec.
I'm down to Paul Reynolds now to give you an.
Yeah. Okay, so you're.
No, I only have half of the way to go now.
Yeah, so it's only half. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, exactly, Dutch. So if you get USB one, make sure the USB plug is also isolated, obviously. Otherwise, it will be voided anyway. But if the USB charger is isolated, usually they don't have ground prongs, so it's fine. But if you have one with ground prongs, be careful. Measure it so the ground on the plug is not connected to the ground on the USB outlet around the thing. Okay, let's see what more. Yeah, exactly. The embedded hobbyist, just remove the ground leads. You are 100% right. That can make things dangerous, obviously, but it will make it isolated.
Yes, but you might find yourself becoming the ground lead.
Yeah, so then it's super important to have a grounding mat or a grounding strap because this power will go through your hand instead of your heart. So you don't kill yourself. And the grounding mat, obviously, if something is not grounded, it goes directly into the mat and out. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff to keep in mind when you're doing high voltage stuff. So if you're a newbie, obviously, be careful. And if you don't know what you're doing with high voltage stuff, don't do it. Just leave it for a professional normally. Not that I'm a professional and I have installed 380 installations, industrial installations. So, but if you take it with time and do it right and listen to all other warnings from people that know what they're doing, usually it goes well. Okay, let's see. What do we have for comments? They're still coming in. I want to wins, by the way.
Yeah, I was afraid of that.
Do not use a cheap Chinese charger. Yeah, completely agree. But that's for
Because you
different
relied
reasons.
on the isolation of the switch mode transformer.
Yeah, exactly.
To protect you.
So if the gap inside the transformer has to have a small gap in between. So if the gap is too small, it can actually arc over and kill you. So let's see. Sorry for the weird angle. I have to look around the microscope to see the text.
Can I suggest, by the way, that if you're using the USB powered oscilloscope, run it from a power bank?
Yeah, running it from a power bank is the most isolated way you can run it.
Yeah.
That's a good idea, Rich.
Yeah.
I don't have a power bank, so I haven't thought about that.
Well, that's what I would suggest, run it from a power bank.
Yeah, but yeah, a power bank is the best way to do it.
Turnip of Entropy, cool name.
Yeah, really cool names. And there's a lot of you. I'm really happy to see so many new faces. Okay, so let's see. Ernest Rudolph Hayward, don't trust the grounding mats and straps. Yeah, no, that's a bare minimum if you remove the grounding pins. I don't recommend removing the grounding pins, obviously. They're there for a reason. But yeah, if you really have to, go the safe route and try to ground the grounding mats at least.
Raffles, do you play Minecraft? I know a guy who plays Minecraft. What's the name? Well, I can't read the comments anyways.
Grounding strap with a 1 mega ohm resistor at each end. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Use power bank. Yeah, Chris Hartley said the same thing as you, Rich. Power bank. Good. Trusty unsoldering cow. Huh. Fireball? What do you mean? I don't. I didn't get that one. High voltage, more fun. Yeah, I like high voltage, and I built some cool high voltage things like ion wind thrusters and stuff. Yeah, they're cool until you shock yourself and you wake up on the floor a few minutes later.
Why would you do that?
Just mistake.
Can you show the people?
Yeah, so progress. That lift is working really hard here. Poor Detlef. Yeah, let's see.
Next time you write this down.
No, next time we do it my way and we
I don't care.
We skip the writing
This
down.
this was the last time I do that.
Yeah, I know. I agree with you. That's barbaric.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let's see. Has Richard? Have you dyed your hair, Richard?
Yeah.
And done something to your magnificent owl-looking eyebrows?
Yeah, so basically I've now got my hair matching the same colour as my natural body hair. It tends to go a bit grey, but ever since I live here, once I get out in the sun, it bleaches.
Oh, you bleach, okay. It bleaches out with the sun here. Okay, so he says
The sun is very fierce here.
he's matched it to his very magnificent body hair.
Nice.
Okay.
You don't need more detail.
Yeah, no, that's enough detail for that. Benko OSC. Okay, so good idea, Dutch. I want to win. Yeah, I do play Minecraft. You're perfectly right.
Oh, hey, Waffles. Love your channel.
Good.
This is not happening.
Really?
No, I cannot get.
Yeah, Ken's trains. It's never too late to learn. If you're 60 and you're starting electronics, just keep going and you will eventually get there. I was a complete noob. I knew how to modify consoles.
You still are.
Yeah, and compared to these two, yeah, I'm still way under what I should be.
Yeah.
But I've managed to get a really good ground or basic knowledge.
He doesn't shock himself all day now.
No,
It's an improvement.
I made my own PCBs and they work.
Well, don't go there.
they didn't work from the beginning. I'm actually making a few more now. So I'm designing a few things. Come over to my channel to check them out.
Aaron 79 and going there.
Okay, so let's see.
I like that colour. The reason it's not happening is because the only reason I can keep the thing hold still is to put it in the vise.
Oh, okay.
And the vise is drawing so much heat out of it.
Oh, you're
I can't unsolder it, and because the thing's hardly any bigger than the ZIF socket, there's nothing else to get hold of. If you see what I mean.
Yeah.
We'll see if it still works when it's cooled down. So something else we can play with. We looked at this on one of the car boot videos. If we can get onto the microscope again, I'll show you guys what I have here.
Okay, and microscope.
Yeah.
Anna van der Veer, gotcha.
Okay. So this.
Full screen projection. There we go.
Yeah. So this is a dongle.
A dongle.
A dongle. So these things were particularly out in the 1980s. This came from a machine with XP on though, so it's probably a bit newer than that. A3 software.
Yeah, I had something similar for Maya. No, 3D Studio Max.
Okay, so this is an anti-piracy device. So basically,
Yeah.
you load the software, you connect this to the parallel port, and it somehow detects or reads something from this.
Yeah,
and
it's not that sophisticated. Just,
Okay,
you know.
so it's not very sophisticated. So it's doing something to detect or read this, and if it's there, it runs the software will run.
Yeah.
So the question is, what's inside it?
Yeah. Okay. So.
So something else we can break. Carlos, can you get into that?
Yeah, I probably can. I had one of these when I had.
Switch camera.
My friend had 3D.
You can do the stuff over here. I got I'm synchronized now to the number.
Give me the views. There we go. And I don't want to throw your phone on the floor.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
Yeah, not yet anyway. Okay, so we're back here. Okay, so I had one of these, or my friend had one of these on his 3D Studio Max workstation. He worked for a flight company, made crash simulations and stuff.
Okay.
And he had 3D Studio Max on his computer. And he had one of these dongles on. Not the exact same, but... And we opened it up to check.
Okay.
It had 2 resistors inside.
This is what I'm wondering, does it have just resistors? Because this has a pass-through for the printer, so you can connect to your printer.
Even if this
even when this is attached. So you can't use a lot of the signal lines.
Yeah, it uses about 4 total.
Because on the Centronics parallel printer, it didn't use all of the signals.
Yeah, about 4 or 3.
So let's have a look. So how are we going to get inside this thing?
So these are glued, the actual caps.
Okay.
So let's see how old the glue is.
I guess this thing is probably, I think the machine had XP on it, so maybe from early 2000s,
Yeah.
2005 or something.
A lot more vendors that use this than
Yeah.
3D
So
Studio.
it could be about 20, and the software could have been older, so it could be 20
Yeah.
something years old. Can you get into it?
No, this one is.
You feel welcome to destroy it. I mean, we don't need this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we don't need this.
We definitely don't need this, so if you want to
Okay.
use something a bit more...
Aggressive. Yeah.
Unless any guys out there have got a good suggestion how to get inside this.
I see a seam here. No, this is an indent. This is also just an indent. There are no. Yeah, there is a seam right there.
Okay.
So there in the corner, you can see the dark spot. There's a
Okay.
small seam there. So you can actually just peel this like a banana, if I can get in there.
Okay.
Can you get a pick or something?
A pick.
Yeah.
What, a program like
Microcontroller?
Yeah, I could use the legs
Sorry,
for that.
couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist that either.
A dental pick.
Okay, let me get the tools.
Yeah. Usually dental supplies can be useful.
Okay.
I'm more an Atmel guy.
Here
Well, they bought this.
Here are a selection of
Yeah, me
tools.
too. I only use picks when I make mods on old consoles because all the mods are designed around picks. Yeah, I can get it.
I have a hammer, if that's
Yeah, no,
needed.
no.
Johnny Grumble.
Okay. I got in there, but I broke the corner.
Okay, doesn't matter. As I say, it really doesn't matter.
Yeah, no. That's why I pushed that hard. I don't want to stab myself.
No. Watch out, guys. There could be some blood in a minute.
Yep.
And this is live. So.
I broke your pick.
Okay, doesn't matter. I've got more of them.
Yeah, okay, good. I keep going then.
I have more of these.
Yeah, okay, there we go. That's exactly
Oh!
what I do. And then you peel it like a banana back.
Oh! Well done.
So, this is not my first one, obviously.
Yes.
It has a clip around the actual connector.
Oh! It's coming.
Yeah, it is. I'm trying not to stab myself on camera because there are people that are squeamish.
I am.
Yeah, I'm not. If I don't hurt myself when I fix my car, there's something wrong.
Okay.
Pretty much.
People sometimes have strange ideas here, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a small PCB,
Yeah.
as you can see inside. It's sandwiched in between the connectors. Let's see if we can get it out. It is soldered, so it's going to be a little hard.
Brian Fields.
Okay. I'm just trying to get all of it out so we can get the best look we can and probably disassemble it completely. Okay, so there is something stopping me from... Okay, it's farther down here. Sorry guys. Must be painful to watch. It's going to be painful.
Would you like to maybe try these?
Yeah.
You won't believe this. My PCB weight pencil just gave up.
Oh.
Oh no.
It's empty.
You wrote too much.
I wrote so many letters here. Feels like
You
that.
wrote way too much.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're in one side. That's good.
Yeah.
There's nothing much to see. Hey, they have a dedicated pin for the shielding.
Okay.
Oh, interesting. They have one open pin right there
Okay.
on the corner. It's open. It's not inside the actual plastic shielding.
We can put it under the microscope if you want to
Yeah.
show it.
No.
We got some more stuff off.
Yeah, I am going to get off the side too. Don't worry.
Okay.
And there is there are no real ways to get this off, is there? So it's sandwiched. It's two pieces, the plastic.
Yeah.
So the bottom half comes off this way. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get it loose.
Fair enough. While Carlos is just destroying this, guys, I didn't run this by death, but obviously whoever wins, we need to have your address. Now, I think the best way to do this is that whoever is the winner, if you email me, and we'll put it on the screen a little bit. But
Yeah.
it's my email address on Learning Electronics Repair. If you just go onto About, you'll see it. But it's electroniccanaria@outlook.com. We'll give you that, yeah? So if you're the winner, email me on that, right? Now, what I will do is I will...
Don't start emailing right now.
No. Wait till you're the winner, yeah? For the winner. When you email me, I will email back to you a pass number. Just a PIN number, yeah? And then I want you to post a comment on Learning Electronics Repair from the same account that you've won, and just give me the PIN number.
That's good, because then you can verify.
I can verify. It's just in case somebody else gets clever and tries to say they've won before the real winner, yeah?
Ooh, it actually has more than a resistor.
Okay, so I'll run through that again when we come to the end, but that's how we're going to do it. So we don't need email address or contact details from everybody, just obviously from the winners, yeah?
Yeah. And you can't fake it, because
you can't fake it, because I'll give you a PIN number which you then need to
put in one of the comments.
In one of the comments from the same account number, the same account name that you won from.
Yeah. So.
Okay. So
if you're a hacker, you can do it. Otherwise, it's going to be very hard.
Yeah.
And if you're a hacker, you have more important things to do. Okay, so it actually has a glob top, and
let's get it under the microscope, or can we get it more dismantled than that?
I think I actually can rip it apart now.
Okay.
So if I can get this in between, right here.
Without wrecking my
yeah, I'm trying to.
pliers.
I'm really trying to not wreck your pliers. I'm not putting that much
Steve, I
force.
see your comment. I want to win now. At least 2 times. It's enough. Stop there, please.
Yeah.
We have said if anybody puts in more than once, then you will be disqualified. We will check later.
But I'm too lazy to get the thing out there right now. And
just stop doing it, and it's fine.
Yeah, please.
There we go. I'm still
please
not
be
bleeding.
fair to all the other people.
I'm still not bleeding, so I'm still not done. With other words.
Okay.
Okay. So I think if we just spread this apart, it should open. So
we have more tools.
Yeah. So I'm just going to push here and open.
Okay.
No, I will break your tools before I can open this. So it's glued. You have something more aggressive with...
What you're looking for?
Something to cut through the plastic prongs on the side.
Maybe something a bit more aggressive than that. One moment.
I just want to see if I can get...
How many more of my tools would you like to abuse? How about that? Excuse me.
Oh yeah, that one's better, actually.
Well, if anybody want to be here?
Oh yeah, please. I need alcohol with doing this.
And I can't. I'm drugged out of my skull, almost. My drugs are ending. They're...
We're still on the Dorada Special.
Yes, please.
The Tenerife beer.
Yeah.
There we go. I got the plastic sheeting.
Yeah. That's a bit more violent, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's more my speed.
And they're not your tools, so...
Yeah, no. I usually destroy them.
Yeah, but these are fairly rugged.
Yeah, they are. They are almost as rugged as the ones I bought.
Okay.
I bought some even.
Best luck to everybody out there.
Yeah, good luck everybody.
Yeah. Good luck, guys. Sorry for...
If you haven't entered right now for the I want to win, do this now. And if you have entered, don't do this now.
Yeah,
because you're already in the box probably.
One is enough.
Don't duplicate, please.
Please don't. Don't make it
there we go.
even harder for me. Please, 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 please.
Yeah.
Think of the little dead.
Finally, I'm getting somewhere.
Are we good?
And yeah, I'm cutting through the connector pretty much. Yeah, it's loose.
You've managed to eventually break something.
Yeah, I broke it.
I did say you could break this.
It's not possible to take this off non-destructible.
You're not very good in shot.
Sorry. I'm putting a lot of force into this to break it apart, so that's why.
Okay.
Hello, Blue Path. Interesting name.
There we go.
Ah.
So, my friends.
Do I see blood?
No.
I don't think so.
On the other side of this finger.
Ah.
Oh look!
Oh!
Ah. Oh no!
Hey, I came. I got into it and I got blood.
I bet it'll hurt now. Have you ever noticed when you cut yourself, it doesn't hurt
Until you
until you
notice it.
see it. And once you've noticed it, it stings like hell.
No, actually, no, it doesn't even. I don't even feel it.
Okay.
But that's just. I'm used to cutting myself, so, and not in that way. That sounded emo as well. Okay, so
Can we say that on the live stream? Emo is.
yeah, we are not monetized yet, so yeah, we can.
I do believe we have 1,000 subscribers on the live.
Yeah, but we need more view hours, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, Rich, that wasn't the idea of hurting your finger.
No. Right. So you're not in shop there, but have you got it?
Yeah, no, I was just cleaning up so we can see
And then we can get it under the microscope.
what's on it. Okay, so there are a few components
Let's go for it.
and the blob. Okay, so let's.
Switch camera.
Yeah, I'm on it. Um,
Right. So this is the results of Carlos's careful
disassembly.
disassembly.
Yeah, careful. Sorry, guys.
Okay. Yeah. There's a bit
Bless you.
of bug going around.
Yeah, no, it's not a bug. It's allergies, pure allergies.
Allergies on the island? What are you talking about?
Yeah, sand.
Sand allergies. Okay.
So
There we go.
94V0. If you guys don't know what this is, and you'll see this on graphics cards and motherboards and such like, and you think it's the model number,
Or
it's
the
not.
year.
It's not. It's actually a fire safety regulation number. It basically means 94V0 that the PCB or the device will not set on fire. So if some component overheats, the board will not set on fire. So that's actually a fire safety
Halogen
designation.
free,
Yeah.
something or other.
So that's what that. If you see that, so that means nothing. HT. This I have no idea what that is.
Yeah, do you have the date code on the side?
Do we?
0305.
0315.
Yeah,
I'm surprised it's as old new as that.
2015.
Hold on. Is it 15? Is it 2003? This came off an XP machine.
Could be that it's newer. On the bottom left, 3003. No, that's just a serial number.
Okay. And there is a blob of black stuff here.
Yeah, so there is actually a chip on this.
Because there are tracks going under that.
Yeah, so that's surprising because I didn't expect a chip.
And we can see.
I expected what's on the back side.
Let's see if you can peel the black stuff off it.
So you have resistor,
So we have
capacitor, and a bigger
A
capacitor.
bigger capacity.
And there is actually missing a diode.
Rainbow Technologies Inc.
A nice name.
Yeah. And
We can scrape.
so
off.
is this a gay dongle? Been the rainbow?
Yeah, it's before that movement.
Okay. Let's see if we scrape off this black gunk.
So I need to heat this up, I'm guessing.
We have the hot air, but it's over my death.
Could the
No.
We bother you?
Live without that. Don't work right now.
okay, over to your bench. I'll be back in
Okay, Carlos will be back in a moment.
5 seconds.
No.
A little more.
You see where the hot air is, can't you?
No, they're leaving me.
No, I'm...
Okay, you're with me. Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So, the chip tester, I'll just get that again. Let me see if that actually still works. Can I have my chip tester? Okay, on my battery. Okay, so this thing, I actually tried to unsolder this ZIF socket, but the problem is that because the PCB isn't much bigger, I had to clamp this end in the vise to hold it still, and the vise was sucking so much heat out of the board I couldn't actually desolder it. Yeah, I couldn't get the heat into it. Question is, have we now destroyed the thing? No, it still says ERR, and we can stick some chip in it. Hopefully it's one of the ones it recognises. Let's have a look. Yeah, 358. So we haven't broken it anyway. But unfortunately, guys, unless you can think of another way to get into this, I can't see what's underneath it. It's a strange device. This thing really surprised me. They're about €20. AliExpress. Carlos is making strange noises back there, Carlos.
Yeah. Okay, so the chip doesn't want to let go of the epoxy.
He can't deglop the chip.
No, it's actually on the block. Okay.
We have done this before, guys. We have successfully done
Yeah,
that.
you
But,
can do it, but in this case, it actually got fused to the epoxy.
oh,
We have.
would you like your seat?
Yeah, I'm just going to check. So this is going down in temperature. Yeah, it is. Okay.
Right.
I don't
So
want to put the fire on you.
Carlos has
Yeah. So
that.
it is a glove chip.
Oh, it's a flop in there.
Yeah, we can
Ah, crap.
we can focus it.
So
Oh, this is very anticlimactic.
yeah, it is.
No, that's not the chip tester. The chip tester.
No, the dongle thing.
The dongle.
Yeah, so it has a glob top. So this is a microcontroller, but
Yeah,
in,
some
in a die.
Let's zoom down.
Yeah, so you can see the tracks, and we'll show the other side in a few seconds.
Right, just hold to the focus on that.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to get it in the middle.
There.
There we go. So it's a bare die, pretty much.
Oh,
It's escaped. It didn't want to let go of the epoxy, so that happens sometimes. And where is the actual?
the remains of the dongle.
Yeah. I thought I gave it to you. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so what's the pinout for the chip? You can actually see it here.
Oh,
So there are the remains. I couldn't get everything off because it's really old, so it's fused to it. So you put the chip here, and then you put bonding wires.
right.
So it's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 pins.
Really?
So the bonding wires are so small you can't even see them on the chip anymore. You can see small traces. It's so small. So you can see on the epoxy in the light. There we go. Can see
Ah, yeah. So it's not. No, there isn't 8. There's 6 each side.
it's 6 inside.
There's
Yeah.
about 12 pins. I can see the pin. Yeah, I can see where the pads were now.
Yeah. So you can see them right there. So it's interesting. This is actually more advanced than the ones that were in the 1990s. So this is actually newer, probably. Like I said, 3D Studio Max was extremely expensive at the time.
Right.
Yeah, I think it
Yeah.
was 10 grand a month for something
Wow.
stupid. So yeah, but I played around with it and learned the 3D modeling, so that was a plus. Okay, so nothing interesting really. It had the components I said it would, the resistor, capacitor, and another capacitor.
Yeah.
The one I looked at had 2 resistors going from 2 different lines,
Okay.
and it read them off on the computer side.
Yeah.
And if the resistors were on those lines, it unlocked
The
the
software.
yeah. And we made our own actually.
Okay. So that's what we have in that one.
Okay. Nothing special, unfortunately. Not.
Switch camera.
Yeah. We can go over to the normal camera. And I give that left over the mouse. Oh no, overhead. Sorry. Go ahead.
Did you bring something for us to play with?
No, it broke more. So I was going to bring a gaming watch, a Nintendo gaming watch. I bought like 7 or 8 years ago. I've been missing a part for it a really long time, a zebra connector of a specific size. And I actually got one from Richard, from one of the things we picked apart.
Yeah. The zebra connector.
Yeah, it's a rubber membrane with conductive tracks inside.
Inside. You might have seen these things, guys, if you take things apart. They're usually like a pink colour.
Yeah.
Very strange colour for a zebra, but have a pink colour. And they're often used like underneath things like LCD displays.
Yep.
To connect from the display to the board. In fact, Carlos is just now putting zebra connector, and we can show you what one of these things looks
There
like.
we go.
There we go. So just switch over to that.
Yeah, I'm trying to find the freaking mouse. Oh yeah, wrong.
Yeah, wrong mouse. Wrong mouse.
Okay, so this is a zebra connector. So you can see the small lines on the
Can we zoom?
display. Yeah, I can probably zoom. Ah, no, it doesn't want to. Give me a sec. Open link in new tab. Okay, yeah, there we go. We have an explanation.
So it's the elastomeric.
Yeah. So these are conductive pads, and those are isolation pads. So what it does, you put it against a metallic glass conductor like a LCD screen.
Yeah.
This is the LCD screen, and it presses against these, and it sends the information. As you can see,
That's what makes the contact.
Yeah. So you can see that there's multiple on each.
Oh yeah, there's multiple connections
Yeah.
on each. Okay.
But the spacing needs to be correct, even if that's because I have had a lot of zebra connectors for sorry for the gaming watch, but the spacing is barely wrong, so it actually bridges one of them.
Right.
So and they're farther spacing, closer spacing. So it depends on the use case, I'm guessing, or the connector on the bottom and the connectors on the screen. The screen actually has microscopic connectors you can see with a microscope that are made by indium tin oxide.
Indium is like a transparent metal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's used for touchscreens and stuff.
Okay, okay, yeah. So I have actually noticed, guys, that it says here that zebra is actually a registered trademark. That's like calling a vacuum cleaner a Hoover.
Yeah, exactly.
Even though it's made by Dyson or something.
Yeah.
So Hoover is not a device, it's a
they were so big in their time. It's like a Phillips screwdriver.
Yeah.
It's actually not a Phillips.
So if you actually want to know what these things are, guys, they are elastomeric connectors. I think zebra sounds much better.
Yeah, zebra connectors sounds a lot better. I didn't know they had another name.
That's what they actually are, is elastomeric.
Yeah, exactly. So I was looking for the wrong thing, I guess, when I was.
Now you know that, maybe you can find them.
Yeah, here they have an example, liquid crystal displays.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what I needed for. But now the what's it called? The gaming watch has a cracked mainboard right through in the middle. The entire thing is cracked. So I was thinking of making a replacement PCB practically, because it uses the old carbon pad style. So it bridges.
Like you having a remote control.
Yeah. No. Even worse, because they make the bridges with those as well.
Oh.
Yeah. So let's see if we can game and watch. Nintendo.
Game and watch. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Oh, game and watch maybe. Nintendo mainboard. So you have an idea what I'm talking about. Okay, there we go. That's pretty much it. Okay, no.
So you can buy them?
Yeah, you can buy the mainboards, but they're super expensive.
Well, that didn't seem so expensive.
They usually are. It depends on the game, practically. I have the Donkey Kong one, and it's one of these brown pieces of. Yeah.
Can we get a big picture?
Yeah, I'm trying to. There we go.
Okay.
This is for the Donkey Kong. That's the exact one I have.
So your problem is that the PCB is no good, you say?
Yeah, the PCB is cracked right through all the screen connector lines and the button connector.
So what you think they're doing is taking the components off and putting onto another one?
Yeah, pretty much saving the console without buying a completely new. Why is not that picture coming up? Open image in new tab. Ah, there we go. So you can see these carbon pads here and goes to here.
Okay.
These are actually just glued on carbon pads.
Oh, so that's
it's the second layer.
so that's like another layer of the PCB, but it's not a layer of the PCB.
It doesn't have a layer on the backside. The backside is brown.
So why haven't they put them on the backside of the
It was. These are quite old, in the 1980s.
Okay, so those black things.
Those are practically.
These are like wires.
Yeah.
Effectively connecting from one pin to another. So it's a single-sided PCB.
Yeah.
And these things are strapped across. Right, I see.
Yeah. Look at chip. It's floating in midair.
Yeah. And it goes underneath these.
Yeah.
So these
it's to keep the thickness down.
So what's wrong with yours?
Mine is cracked from.
Use this, you can see it.
Yeah. Mine is cracked from here on the bottom side up to here.
All the way.
Yeah, so all the buttons go right through here, and all the LCD lines go here. These are the connectors for the zebra connector, right down here. So I can fix it. I can do jumper cables. I've actually
That's what
done
I'm
that.
thinking.
Yeah, I've actually done that.
PTFE wire or something?
Yeah, I think actually zebra connect is on top, but yeah, and it has a flex wire because it's a two-screen, what's it called, game.
Okay.
It's a clamshell you open.
But you say it's a watch?
No, it's a gaming watch. Yeah, I know the computer.
I'm assuming you're like a wristwatch.
Yeah, you can actually use it as a watch.
Okay.
Watch Donkey Kong. Let's see
Okay.
if I get. There we go. That's the one.
Oh, so that's what it looks like.
Yeah. So. Here
Whoa, they fetch some money.
Yeah, no, they're not cheap by any means. Working, they are really expensive.
So it's not a watch. It's a.
It actually has a built-in watch. That's the point of them. So you can use them as a watch, and then
Okay.
alarm and stuff. But you see the ribbon cable that goes from one screen to another.
Yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's actually broken on mine as well. That's why I skipped bringing it over, because I have to fix that first. But I was thinking of using a normal generic ribbon cable instead of this flat flex piece of garbage.
So I'm looking at this now. So there's an actual fact. It just has like lots of like images on the LCD display. It just lights them up. So it's not really animated or anything.
No, it has all the pre-built animations
All the
inside
on the
LCD.
screen, and it just turns them on and
Yeah, it's quite interesting on how it works.
how it works. Yeah, I can imagine how that works.
Yeah, it's easy enough technically.
It's like a very low resolution cartoon.
Yeah, you are.
That moves.
You're 100% right. But as you can see, the pretty penny.
Wow.
Penny.
Any of you guys out there familiar with these things?
And this one is scratched up as well. So yeah, so these are classics. There are actually versions of these that are even more expensive. We're talking thousands. Of
Really?
euros. Yeah. So they're really rare. Donkey Kong is the least rare one of them.
Okay, because it was the most popular.
Yeah. So, but if you want to buy a main board for Donkey Kong, for example, you have to pay 70 euros.
Really?
Yeah. Because someone has to take it out from a console for a working one somewhere. Maybe the screens are cracked or whatever. You get the main board out.
Ah.
But you can have some luck in buying cheap sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
But actually, more cases than not, the price goes up really high. The cheapest one I've seen, the one I bought for 50 euros, knowing that
This wasn't from the car boot sale.
No, I bought it from a second-hand store. The guy told me the buttons just needed cleaning. Bullshit. I opened it up and it was cracked and split right through the middle. The actual screens did work with the crack because it has these jump connections.
Okay.
But the bottom screen did not. So the crack went through the bottom connector but not the top one.
So I know you asked for my help with this car.
Yeah.
So what did you want me to do?
So I wanted to know if the main board, when I'm making a new one, if the resistance in these lines, because these are high resistance lines, these are carbon pads pretty much, if it actually matters if the resistance is there or not.
Do you know what I would be tempted to do with this? Is make a double-sided PCB.
Exactly what I was going for. But
and see if it works.
Yeah, because if the resistance matters, for example, for the bottom presses.
Well, have you measured the resistance?
Yeah,
of these straps?
it's about 100 ohms on some of them.
Well, in that case, make a double-sided PCB and put a 100 ohm surface mount resistor.
That's what I was thinking. But
in it.
Is that necessary or?
Well, if it reads 100 ohms anyway, so what you're saying is if you measure from one of these
Yeah,
straps
to one of the other ones.
the other ones, it reads like 100 ohms.
Yeah.
So I make a double-sided PCB
With 100 ohm resistor.
with 100 ohm surface mount. I mean, we can use 02, 04 or something.
02, 04.
04, 02s.
Yeah, there is enough space in the in the car.
Yeah, but 04, 02s are not difficult to solder. 02, 01s I can do them.
Yeah, no, 02, 01s
I can
get
do it.
stuck on my tweezers.
Yeah. But 04, 02s.
Static tension keeps it on the
So what do you think? What do you think, guys? You think that'd be the way to do this? Is to make a double-sided PCB?
Any ideas on maybe some modifications for this? I don't want to mod it completely, but It
And
has-
then you just want to take this chip off and stick it on your
yeah.
double-sided PCB.
So I have to do a cutout and do it the same way. I'm guessing.
Well, that's not difficult.
It's for the thickness in the middle.
Yeah. For these components, yeah, but PCB where we can use them for this, they can do that.
Yeah. No, I was thinking of doing that.
Yeah, I would make a double-sided PCB and put these jumpers on the back. But how are you going to make your buttons work?
The buttons just make squiggly lines with copper that's exposed.
Okay, yeah. So you don't need to have a pad there, just copper.
Yeah, I do copper instead.
Copper pads, like we can see
Yeah,
here.
because the actual buttons have some carbon pads
on the buttons.
Yes.
So they just need to make a
It
contact.
bridges over.
Okay, guys, what do you think? Is that doable or is it not doable?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a big project. I'm guessing it's not the easiest thing to do, but should work out. Double-sided PCB should work with.
Well, resistor, yes, Dutch, yeah.
Yeah, because I was worried about the resistors. That's why I was asking Richard first.
James Roberts says start with 0 ohm resistors. The problem is that if we damage the little controller,
It's dead, yeah.
it's dead.
I don't know if the resistance is a feature or a bug.
Rune International, upgrade with colour LCD and touchscreen.
What do you want to show on the
Oh yeah, sorry.
this mouse? I think.
Oh crap! Wrong mouse again. Sorry guys. Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're checking the comments here. So yeah.
If an FR PCB won't fit too thick using the flex PCB. Right, with PCB wear, I know we can make a normal FR PCB down to 1mm, or I think 0.6 or something.
Yeah.
They give us a few options, so we can probably use quite a thin one.
David VV. Yeah. I didn't know that. I have the new KeyCAD.
0.6 is a big. It's a thick
Yeah.
one.
I have the new KeyCAD 8.0 installed. So if there is button pads already there, I'm going to use them.
Well, I'm sure PCB wear can do the button traces too.
Yeah.
Sometimes you like a challenge, yeah. And who knows, we could learn during the process. Let's do it, on dog, yeah, let's do it.
Because otherwise it's trash, pretty much.
Yeah.
I can still get some money for the case and for the chip. All the other stuff.
And the screen.
Yeah, and the screens are fine.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I don't like throwing stuff away.
Budgie fix 01005. Those are
This is just 1 hour of writing little.
01005.
01005s with your BC3 tip. No, I would use my C210 for that.
Yeah, no, the 01005s are torture.
It's like dust.
Yeah, if you want to torture someone, give them a bunch of those to solder.
Yeah, Zach Connolly, worst case,
Or
will
let
work
them
with
write
the
down little
resistors.
notepads.
Yeah.
That's almost as bad.
Yes, it's almost as bad.
Rob Titheridge, I've repaired these carbon tracks by bridging them with magnet wire. What do you mean, Rob? Rob Titheridge, can you describe what you mean by magnet wire?
Little stand is isolated, the lacquered. The copper wire you use on
enamel wire.
enamel wire used on transformators.
Okay, but
Enameled wire.
how did you stick it to the pads? Because the pads are made of carbon as well. You can't solder to them.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. That's why I haven't fixed it yet, by the way.
Yeah, Alan Van Dusen, go for it. The current one is bad and not repairable.
Yeah, pretty much.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
Andy Fair, I want to win if you haven't got that one yet.
I'm look at where I am.
Yeah.
Oh, that's still running
Yeah.
through.
We probably need to cut this short, guys, because
He's halfway there.
I need the next 20 minutes for writing this down. I'm
Okay.
I'm
Get
way
right
behind here.
Get right.
Yeah, no, he won't make it.
No.
Shall somebody write from the other end and work backwards?
No, it won't work.
No, you don't use this because I need
Okay,
this
just leave it.
point where I am.
All right.
Yeah, it won't work, Rich.
Okay, fine.
Copper tape. Yeah, that I've actually fixed a ribbon cable on one of those before with copper aluminium tape. But yeah, it works. Problem is you have to remove the sticky part on the backside to make it conductive, and then stick it down with super glue or something.
Oh,
yeah, that's a good idea.
A7 Armageddon, basically. A7 Armageddon, yeah. Armageddon says buy liquid carbon and use it on your notes all the time.
That's not that cheap to get a hold of.
I know, but this thing's an expensive thing.
Yeah, I have thought about it, and I have tried to get my hands on. liquid carbon. They had some on AliExpress. I ordered it, and customs thought it was some kind of
Bomb.
Yeah, pretty much, and blocked it and sent it back.
David VB, good question. Can't you access to the copper track near those carbon pads? You must be able to.
Yeah, you can. That's how I fixed the bridging. I bridged the connectors for the buttons and stuff.
Gingan Gooly Gooly, conductive paint, like silver paint, you say?
Yeah.
I've actually used the silver paint to very good effect, repairing slider potentiometers and mixers.
I fixed controllers, not controllers, remote controls for TVs with that on the actual carbon pads when they disappear. Just put new paint on.
Okay, yeah. So I think silver paint would be a good idea. It'd be nice if you can make some sort of stencil to paint through that we just put it on there for you, because otherwise it's going to go all over the place.
Yeah, it does. Believe me, it does.
Yeah. So silver paint.
Yeah, that's not bad. Conductive silver paint. Liquid carbon works.
Again, like run a conductive silver.
Yeah. If I could get liquid carbon, that would be the closest to factory. Let's say.
Well, let's have a look to see. Just type into Google.
Yeah.
If we get us, we'll get us on the screen for you guys, and let's look for liquid carbon, and let's see if we can find it. If anybody wants to put into the comments a link to where we can find liquid carbon, that'd be great. Liquid carbon paint, that'll do. There's enough.
It has to be conductive. There are actually unconductive versions.
Ground carbon conductive coating.
There we go. These are the closer ones to what I've.
Carbon conductive paint.
Yeah. I don't see anything from AliExpress.
DIY, how to make conductive paint at home.
Already tried that, doesn't work.
What happened?
You have to have better quality carbon than you can get a hold of. He's using batteries, for example. He rips apart
zinc carbon batteries?
Yeah. So he removes the carbon from because that's refined carbon.
Well, they sell it on Amazon, let's have a look.
Yeah. I see that now. Okay, maybe Amazon can get through customs.
€24.
That's not bad. The one at AliExpress was 50. It was a bigger container though.
But you don't need a lot of this stuff.
No, you don't need a lot. Oh, copper metallic paint.
I've not seen copper metallic paint before.
Oh, that's new.
Conductive graphene carbon paint, water based.
The problem with graphene ones are that they have low resistance. Really low. We're talking better than metals in some cases.
See, I'm not sure how much the resistance really matters.
Yeah, I'm not completely sure it's actually needed even.
No, but there's one way to find out.
And
you get one chance to find out.
Yeah, I actually have a few more gaming watches of the cheaper kinds that are also clamshells. We can test on those first. I guess removing the resistance and just soldering wires across.
Yeah, and see if it still works.
Yeah, that's not.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Can we get back to the comments and see what else people are saying? So, yeah.
Sure. I like this back and forth. It helps, actually.
Yeah, so James Robert ground up some pencils.
Yeah, pencil leads work, but the resistance might be the same as the pads on the actual machines.
Wally Texas, the vias on some multi-layer PCBs are connected by some conductive adhesive. Like wire glue, aren't they? I don't know.
Yeah, I actually don't know how these are attached, because it's carbon against carbon. Maybe when it was wet, it's fused together with other carbon. I'm not sure how they did that. Because if you put glue in between two plates that are conductive, the glue acts as an insulator in between.
Okay. Hans Dampf, he says you can get liquid carbon at a good music store. It's used to coat the electronics compartment.
Ah.
They need them for potentiometers.
Okay.
This is liquid carbon. Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah.
Right, yeah.
I only listen with one ear.
Yeah, no, good idea. I haven't seen in music. I don't go to music shops much because I'm tone deaf. So.
You are.
David VB, the only drawback I see is that the resistance of those tracks could be used in, for example, an RC oscillator.
Yeah.
It could be, but I think that's a bit of a strange way to do it, because if for no other reason, an RC oscillator would probably have like 1% tolerance component, and it must be difficult to do that in carbon.
Yeah, no, I would guess they used the crystal that's on the board instead.
One dude, Richard and I worked for a company that made life support equipment, and they used conductive paint, sprayed the entire case as an EMI shield. Yeah, interesting. Yeah.
That's not a bad idea for other projects.
Ginganguli again, he's saying Amazon, something called liquid wire. It's like liquid without the D, then wire, liquid wire.
Liquid wire.
Okay. So, I mean, basically, all you guys are saying conductive paints.
Yeah. Conductive paint.
So what you're suggesting is to repair the board that you've got.
Yeah, I can do both, actually. I can move
liquid wire.
Liquid wire. I found lube.
Can we get
of course you did.
Of course you did. Look what Carlos found.
Lube and some massage oils.
Do you remember when we were on one of the first live streams where we were looking for something and an anal bleaching came up?
Anal bleaching when you were looking for a security block.
Security block. Oh, a safe block.
Safe block.
Looking for a safe block and anal bleaching came up. And he's had this picture of an anus, but it was a vegetable, weren't it?
Yeah.
And it wasn't even an arse.
No.
It was a vegetable.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure YouTube would have banned this if it was closer to an ass, actually.
It's still on our, conductive link, Zakira, conductive link doesn't work.
So conductive ink, I have some wins with it that works, and sometimes it doesn't work at all. So I really don't know if that's the best way to go with it. I would like to make my own PCB for them to save the other ones that are not savable.
Paul T. Martin, does it have to be carbon or would steel filings work? What do you mean mixed up with? No, I can't see steel filings would work because you wouldn't have a connection if they were mixed into some sort of epoxy. I don't know.
You got 15 minutes until you need to do the drawing.
Yeah, I'm with it. Yeah. AliExpress for new remote control button repair. This is Mike Panchwood. AliExpress. The conductive stickers repairing remote. Oh, look at that. Go to AliExpress and for remote control button repair on Ali. I mean, as I say, guys, I've had great success fixing slider potentiometers on mixing with silver because they normally break near one end.
Yeah.
And I had very good results with that, so that was what I would tend to use.
Remote
control button repair.
Give me a sec because it's spamming me with
remote control button repair.
Why are we at 150?
It don't matter, but it doesn't matter.
Remote control
Call button repair. No, button. That's spelt.
Yeah, I know.
Button repair. What's it called with?
There, kit. Oh, okay, so there's a kit as well.
Oh!
Okay, so I haven't seen these. These are new. Okay, that was already way ahead of me.
It's in Spanish.
Okay, so you stick these on. Okay, I've done this with aluminium foil. I put glue on that and it works. These are new carbon pads. These are really good for me for my video games because all the controllers for all video games that exist have carbon pads.
So can we get strips of this stuff that you can cut into strips effectively?
Probably. It's the same stuff that's on that, I'm pretty sure. No, I can't see any strips. But that's a good start.
Just put something like remote control carbon strips. Just try it. Or carbon strips.
Carbon strips.
Let's see if such things exist.
Yeah.
And then put the electronics maybe.
There we go. There are actually... Okay, these are more rod-like.
Put the electronics, carbon strips. Or carbon strips conductive. Try that. Did he do this stuff?
That doesn't really look...
No.
Right. You could use... Oh, wait. The tape? Nano Cinta Lamina... Oh,
yeah.
Wait.
Cinta is a belt, of laminate belt.
It's
of
actually,
carbon.
This is conductive carbon tape.
Tape.
This is exactly what that is. And there are different thicknesses, so we don't need the biggest one. How many meters?
Nano C. Yeah, that's tape of laminated of carbon conductive. Whoa.
10 meters, 0.06 thickness.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's exactly the stuff. It's tape and it's conductive.
Sorry, this is in Spanish, guys, but we can read Spanish. Yeah, can you just change this to?
Yeah, I'm on it.
We're on it right now, guys.
Sorry.
There. Okay. Nanocarbon copper foil tape, thermal conductive.
Yeah, so it defaults to Spanish because we're in Spain.
Yeah.
Technically.
Yeah.
We're outside Africa.
Yeah. Just off the coast of Africa, but we're
Yeah.
not in Spain. But we are in Spain.
Yeah, hopefully not for long.
You know something new?
So, yeah.
I've heard some rumors.
Let's go back to the comments and see what the guys think of this stuff.
Yeah, so that stuff looks interesting. Did I remove the comment section? Yes, I did.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 1 sec, I'll be right back to YouTube.
Back to you guys.
I hate YouTube. We're live, right? Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, YouTube doesn't want to load. Okay, there we go.
Oh, that's thermal. Thermal conductive. Bald eagle.
Oh yeah, right. It's for the sandwiches they
Marty says it looks perfect. Well, it was cheap, so we can buy some and see.
and measure resistance on it.
Yeah.
It's still carbon, so it should have some electrical transmission.
Yeah.
We're finding some interesting conductive materials available. Yeah, there is a lot of them.
Yeah.
The copper paint was also very interesting.
Yeah. James Roberts, I've never seen that felt before. No, we haven't either. This is you guys. This is all of us together who come up with these ideas and finding this
Because
stuff.
when I'm by myself, I usually go the normal route. I'm used to wires, jumping, bridging. But this way, we can work around it. So half say resistance matters and the other half says it doesn't. So we should test on a cheaper Game & Watch copy.
Or we can just try it on a bit of board and just measure it, stick it on and see what resistance.
Yeah, because if we can do it the correct way, because I can bridge the connectors, no issues.
Yeah, one dog I've known about conductive paint for 30 years, but no idea the other materials like pads were available. Me neither. Hands damp. Richard, I was wondering about the Gotifix LG304 meter you received a few weeks ago. Didn't you want to raffle this one originally? Right, so the Gotifix stuff that we're actually raffling off, this is actually coming from Banggood. So I have, for whatever reason, a very, very good, well, I know the reason, a very, very good relationship with the marketing department at Banggood. So it's Banggood who are actually marketing these brands. The reason that I have a good relationship is actually down to you guys, because when I did the review initially of the LG 303, there was such a good response and they sold so many that they were highly impressed. And that's why this has come about. It's basically a thank you.
Yeah, you have a wide market reach.
A wide market. So I do know that it's actually Banggood. So they also work with a lot of other brands. So I wouldn't be surprised at all to find that we get offered more stuff now.
Yeah,
I think this is sort of the
nice.
start of it. And I do have, by the way, I'll just mention this. I'll tell you right at the end. If you don't win today, we do have a kind of a booby prize for everybody. Is that an English term, booby prize?
Yeah,
it doesn't mean those.
Yeah, not
yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, what do you think of Carlos's T-shirt?
I got Detlef bought.
Detlef bought this one.
It's nice. I like it.
I just love that. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. So the cat obviously had enough of being stuck in the box.
Yeah. No, and this is a really cat thing to do as well.
And this is a really cat thing to do. Okay.
And you know it understands this stuff. All right. So.
No, all of them understand Schrödinger jokes. I'm pretty sure.
Right. I'm going to have another beer.
Yeah, let's see.
And then in about 8 minutes' time, we're going to draw the first.
We're going to draw the first oscilloscope.
Yeah, and this will be the moment when we stop the with the thing here.
Yeah.
Because,
I want to win thing.
You need the bottom now, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. We've almost got you all now. Who've entered all.
No. You think this hasn't scrolled yet? This is about 2 meters.
Yeah, no, it has more, a lot more.
Okay. Well,
the arrow there gives it away.
Let's see if we can get them in quicker.
Okay.
So.
Quicker, so I should write faster.
No. Give me some of those stickers and start calling out every other name to Carlos.
No, this won't work. We would get into
He's organized over there.
Okay.
It's fine.
We would get in other ways, so this won't work.
Keep them busy.
Yeah. Keep them
The
busy.
cat just killed the quantum theory.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
All you guys in the UK, where the UK chili Queen is. No, guys, we're not in the UK. We're actually in the Canary Islands, on the island of Gran Canaria, or Gran Canaria.
On Maspalomas, on the south
Maspalomas,
side.
show them where we are. We'll show you where we are.
Yeah.
In actual fact, this is where we are. Is that typing anything anywhere?
Yeah, I think so. No, it's not. Oh, god damn it, I hate this thing.
We'll show you exactly where we are. Google Map.
Yeah. Do you think I hit the caps lock button by mistake?
I think you might have done something like that. Yeah. So we'll show you where we are.
We are not in mainland Spain.
Why don't you go and just put Maspalomas?
Why?
Where we are, where the nice weather is.
Yeah, we are where the nice weather is. So
Yeah,
the coldest it ever gets here. If you get a day which doesn't reach 20 centigrade,
yeah. So we are.
on the screen.
Oh yeah, right. Thank you, Dad. Okay, so let's just give you a picture of where we are exactly.
In the world.
We are here, and that little island right there.
And zoom out.
Yeah,
and if you'll see, if we come directly to the west,
yeah, we're
you will come out just north of Miami.
yeah.
And if you go to the east, the next big east place
Cairo.
is Cairo.
So we are very near the equator.
We're actually just above the Tropic of Cancer. So in the summer, the sun goes to just 2 degrees off directly overhead.
Yeah.
That's where we are, and we're at the very south tip of this island.
Yeah, we live right here.
We live right here on the very south tip.
I live in the mountains like a hermit, but the other two live.
So we're now broadcasting right now from
Let's see, up
a little bit. Where are we? San Fernando. That triangle.
Yeah,
Yeah, there we are.
We're broadcasting from here.
Yeah.
That's where we're actually broadcasting from. We have a very equitable climate here. So
yeah, we had 52 degrees outside last year in August.
but that's not equitable.
Oh, come on. I was in Germany and we had 0 degrees.
Yeah.
And I was really thinking,
Preferring.
how did I survive the last 53 years? Because it was so
Yeah.
fucking cold. Sorry, I have to say. There's no other way.
Yeah. So the strange thing where we actually live here, we have about 330, 340 days of sunshine.
Yeah.
And when it is cloudy, it's not like all grey and overcast. It means there's fluffy white things floating around.
Yeah. This all comes down to quality of life, guys.
Yeah. So that's where we are.
So if you want a good time, come over here.
Yeah.
Listen to Carlos.
Yeah. We're too far south to be affected by the Arctic weather and the cold weather in Northern Europe.
The only thing that comes here once or twice every 10 years.
There's a tropical storm.
Yeah.
Because we're also too far north to be affected by hurricanes and such like.
The strongest winds we got here ripped off some roofs, pretty much, but that was once every 30 years.
Yeah, it's very, very unusual. So our weather, A, is affected by the Atlantic Ocean, which is quite warm down here. So in the winter, the ocean's about 16 centigrade. Yeah. In the summer, it's about 23. Yeah. So that regulates our weather. And the other big influence is the Sahara desert. So when the weather comes from this direction, we get a heat wave.
Yeah, and we get sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
Everything's covered with sand. Even the sun, you can look right at it.
So that's where we are, guys.
Yeah. And of course, if you want to laugh your asses off, come here in winter when it's 25 degrees outside and people with woolen hats.
Oh, the locals.
Locals. Woolen hats, gloves, and dune jackets.
Yeah. If it gets anywhere down towards 20, they think it's freezing.
Yeah, and I'm walking around in shorts and t-shirts all year.
Martin, I'm on my way. The weather
I'm starting to get cold with this weather.
Yes, the Canary Islands is indeed a tourist destination, yes. Detlef, which part of Germany are you from?
Düsseldorf, right in the middle, beside Cologne.
Yeah. Paul T, are you a cruise ship destination? Yes, the capital Las Palmas has cruise ships regularly. Is it safe there? Absolutely safe here.
Why shouldn't it be safe here?
Launch the nukes. I want to win. The highway ends. What's on the west side of the cliff?
We will probably be the only safe place in the world.
Oh, sorry. Somebody wants to know about the. Yeah, can we get back to the map?
Yeah, sure.
So yes. So
give me a sec.
I have it. Yeah.
There.
Yeah. So the highway runs from Aghieti all the way round to
Morgan.
Mogan. You can get from Mogan to Agayeti in about an hour 10, an hour 20.
Yeah, but you can go the short way, the other way.
But it takes you longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the reason that they want to extend the highway, but you can see here this is extremely mountainous.
Yeah, the highest top here is 5,000 meters.
No, 2,000 meters.
2,000.
No,
On Gran Canaria, it's 2,000.
yeah, the drivable one.
On
The actual mountains are higher.
Gran Canaria, the highest point is 2,000 meters.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, just slightly under. And the other thing, guys, if you get...
yeah, right. Thinking of Teide. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wrong island.
Yeah, you're on the Teide, yeah.
If you go to this place here, Pico de los Nieves, which means the peak of the snow.
Yeah.
If you stand here on a clear day,
You can see the other one.
you can see all the way around the island. So from here, in any direction, there's about 12 miles, 13 miles in any direction in a straight line. So if you stand here, you can actually do a full 360 and see all the way around the island.
Yeah, it takes about an hour to get to Las Palmas from Las Palomas. So it's not far to drive anywhere.
No.
Yes, to the center of the island it takes a while because the mountainous roads.
It's very, very wiggly.
Yeah, you don't go straight anywhere.
No, there's no such thing.
Tell the guys what happens here when it rains. About the weather warnings and stuff.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Yeah,
So if it rains here in the south of the island, we get a weather warning. They shut all the schools.
Yeah.
They close all the outdoor markets, and we get a weather warning.
Yeah.
If it's cloudy all day, we get a weather warning. We get a weather warning if it's cloudy,
windy.
In Germany, you call these things Tuesday.
Yeah. No, and it snowed here up in the mountains the other year. And how many crashes were there?
Oh God, loads. Because everybody drives up there to have a look at it.
Yes.
Snow from one day.
The police had to put a barricade so people didn't drive up to the mountains and crash because there are no winter tires on the island. You cannot buy them.
No. There's only any antifreeze on the island.
Yeah, true.
Winter tires. So guys, let's give away one of our Magotti fix.
Yeah.
So
let's go over to.
Oh, Matt, they're asking us a few then. Not a fan of hot pot. Right, it's not usually that hot here. Normally the temperature here
25.
is 25.
Yeah.
So because we're by the ocean, basically, on the coldest winter night, we have about 14 centimeters.
Yeah, it's windy and
It's lousy cold then.
How's it called? The coldest winter night. The coldest winter day, about 20. It's very unusual to go below 20. And then
you can have heat waves in the middle of winter.
You can have heat waves, but ignoring heat waves, and then in the summer, normally the nights are about 25,
30.
30 and up to maybe 35 in the day.
Yeah.
If we get a heat wave any time of year, which we do, you can add at least 10 degrees to that.
And more in some cases.
Yeah.
It depends on what part of the island, because in Las Palmas and Las Palmas is the
capital, the north end is much
northern end,
wetter.
You can get 15-degree difference in between.
The temperature between us, and it's only 30 minutes drive.
Yes, 30 minutes drive and you get a 15-degree temperature difference. It's insane.
Yeah. So how do we let's draw one of these? So
just let me get in there for a sec. I'm going to write down these things until Richard is done with this, because we need to stop somewhere, and I'm not nearly done.
No more.
We have already.
No more. I want to win, guys.
This is half filled.
Yeah. So that can't keep up.
Yeah, feeling
so
like.
Please, no more. I want to win.
Yeah, I'm
sorry.
Feeling like I'm on a.
We will.
A Harry Potter movie.
Let me see the timestamp on the video, Rich. On the.
Oh, thank you for clearing my screen.
Sorry.
Okay, so you want me to do what?
Go to the Learning channel so we can check what. There's no timestamps. Great.
No, there aren't.
Well, we're getting hardly any I want to wins now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there are 3 or 4.
You think?
Right there.
Okay.
You think?
Yeah. No.
From now on, we don't want to win.
Yeah, that won't help.
25 is about my limit.
I'll
start scrolling up over that.
We reduce this until you have the other thing, and then I stopped.
Okay,
Ken's trains is going to Lanzarote. Yeah. It's really nice there.
Yeah, Lanzarote is really, really nice. I went to that. It was Puerto del Carmen.
Yeah.
But I think Playa Blanca is nicer.
Yeah, it is.
Playa Blanca, if you want to go to Fuerteventura,
That's also nice.
Coraleco is really nice. It's a mixture of Old Town and New Town.
Yeah, I like Tenerife, the northern side.
I've not only been to Los Gigantes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's figure out how we're going to draw one of these. Just give me one moment, guys. I'll just get the random number thing on the screen, and we're going to do a winner. So
Oh, sorry.
we had like was it a random number wheel? Wheel. The number picker wheel.
Yeah.
Right. If you get us on the screen,
Mean and Max. Yep. Okay.
I'm going to find out how many entries there are on my channel. One moment.
This is for the Richard's channel
This is my
drawing, not this one. We're going to draw the other one from
The box.
the box, so don't worry.
So one
We'll
moment.
get to it.
There are 310 entries. So let's get us on the screen so everybody can see it.
Yeah, he can see all the comments until 1.5 hours ago, and he's frantically.
Zakira, you can stop
Right.
commenting now because I see you 3 times now. Please don't do the double commenting here.
Okay, so can we get the wheel on?
Oh Jesus, you're far back.
Yeah, I know. I know. This is what I'm saying.
Well,
here.
we'll try and do as many as we can.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
this
does
is
get.
the only way to do this.
It's getting less and less
Yeah.
now.
We'll
No, I'm about a meter away.
Okay,
Yeah, no,
right,
it's-
keep going.
Yeah, I will. Don't worry.
Okay, right. So
Next time we'll do it my way.
Next time we don't do this way.
Yeah.
I don't care how we do this, but this is
No, automatic.
last time I do this.
okay, where's the wheel? lost the tab.
The last one.
Number picker. Can we get us on the screen?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so there are 310 comments. Now, a few of the comments will not say, I want to win. So if one of those comes up, we draw it again.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to, whatever number comes on now, depending how far down, I'm going to count them. If I make an error, the judge's decision is final.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you as a judge.
I will do my best to make sure I count exactly. I'm going to count every single comment, even including replies, the ones that say I want to win, okay?
Yep.
So let me count them. So first of all now, what we need to do is spin the
One.
number. So
The
from
inter-
1 to max,
interval.
an interval is 1,
Yeah.
okay? So that's every single one. And then where do we do it?
Random number.
Random number, and then a thing should pop up here somewhere that says do it.
Yeah.
It did, man. Oh, exclude. No, there's nothing to exclude.
Nope.
Maximum is 1,000, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Why don't I see the thing?
Good.
Well, we did test this earlier, guys. It did work. Okay.
Did
So,
you test it on Firefox?
we tested it on Firefox and it did work.
Then it should work.
I'm not sure we need 1 to 300. Maximum is 1,000.
You have done it correctly.
Random digit, random number. What's this thing here?
Sorry, can't
I
help.
think it's got a bit mixed.
Can't help-
Let
can't
me just
help
get rid of
right
some of these other tabs. I think I have so many bloody tabs open here.
Yeah.
Let me just do it. We'll have it working, guys. 1 minute. Typical when you do this on video. I'm going to
It worked before, yeah.
I'm going to refresh this tab, okay?
Yeah, and put in everything.
Right, now we
there
see
go,
everything.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say from 1 to 310. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes,
It has
that's
it.
better. And we do the spin.
And we do the spin. Okay, guys, so this is the winner from the comments on my community post. I hope it's not a very high number. The lower the number, the easier it is for me to find the winner.
It's 310.
Okay. The winner is 82. Okay, I'm going to go find the 80-second comment. I'll be back in a few minutes and tell you who
Yeah.
won.
And I keep you busy, guys.
Okay, and this includes all replies and everything.
Yeah.
Okay?
So all replies and everything. Okay, it's
Okay, so
82. So Richard is off looking at it because we can't look at it on the screen. Sorry. Would be better to do it live, but oh well. Yeah, good luck, guys. Hopefully someone that wants it wins it, because there's people that just wants to win something. Oh well, let's see. Do we have any
Sorry,
comments?
can't help right now.
Yeah,
Trying to write it faster.
Rav3, you're pretty right. You can also do it in Excel, but they wanted to do something fancy.
I didn't expect this many people.
I did. I told Richard, do not do it manually. But oh well, for next time, I'll take care of it.
Next time you do, next time
I'll take care of it for next
Yeah.
time. Don't worry. I have a better idea. A lot better. So I can do that automatically. I want to win.
No, it scrolled somewhere. The fuck.
Yeah. Good luck.
This is not built for that.
Yeah. It's
Definitely not built for that.
No. Okay. So let's see. No more entries after it. Yeah. So no more entries.
Number 82.
Yeah, 82. Yeah.
Okay, I have a winner, but I'm just going to count again to double check. Okay?
Yeah, he's double checking. He's almost done. He found 82. He thinks he is going to count them again. Let's see. What are the rules? One comment, please, and just say I want to win.
Well,
that's pretty much
I
it.
won't reach this anyways.
Yeah, I know. So and Detlef reaches whatever he reaches until we have to draw the other ones, because I can still see I want to wins coming in.
Of course you do.
I want a baby or a baby bottle. What? Yeah, sure. If you want suffering and pain.
I want a baby from you, okay?
Yeah. No.
Paul says sometimes Paul said that needs to be not only one man.
Kids are nice, but they are a handful. Let's say it like that. Be nice.
Simon Illett.
One moment.
Coupon code for the other Rich. They're talking about the coupon code.
Okay, I'll do this first. One moment.
Yeah, he'll do that first,
Yeah.
and then
Everybody's stressed out over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No worries, guys. Keep level head. We won't cheat you off out of one of these oscilloscopes. It's Banggood that sends them out anyway. Yeah, thank you. That's a lot of thank yous to you.
Thank you, service.
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass to do. So
Yeah, it is, guys. Believe me.
yeah, no, believe.
Yeah, it is. Fuck me.
Yeah, yes, kids are nice, but yeah.
Always keep away from children. That's what it says on the packaging.
Yeah, no. Mine is 6 years old now. She turned 6 the 7th, I think.
Yeah, and one day before me.
Yeah, it's one day before your birthday, so you can remind me because I won't.
I will
remember. So, and she's really, let's say, active and stuff, but she's a handful. And when she was a baby, it was a real pain. But now it's better. But it's the first few years that are horrible. Let's just say it how it is. It's horrible. Okay, let's see. I do like kids, but yeah.
I remember these comments about a half hour ago.
Yeah, pretty much. You're really far back.
Yeah, I see something about the guys are talking about Gran Canaria there. Dutch was saying if it saves okay.
Yeah, you're probably right.
They've chosen the left-handed people over here to write these stuff. Nobody will be able to read this.
The 3 dots, I can put timestamps. Oh.
Okay, I have the same one twice now.
Ah, thank you. Let's see.
I'll take a photo of this.
There we go. I can't see your name anymore.
Lightrunner Yours asking Düsseldorf NRW. Yeah, of course, Düsseldorf NRW. That's where I'm from. It was lousy cold. And all the people were distracted, were stressed out. They had long faces with very bleak tones there. And
Okay.
living in the Canaries is way better.
Okay.
Thanks. So, now we have timestamps. Yeah, we can do it from 6:30. So anything after, let's see, give me a sec.
I doing this until we
fine. You entirely you want it, right, guys?
Yeah.
Can we get me onto the screen?
Yeah. Okay.
What do I have? This?
Yeah, and I have the last comment you should take. Carter, I'm too late. Okay. Pretty much the last
Carter?
comment.
No, Carter's in there.
Yeah, no. But
And Steve de Buckler.
That's the last comment you should you should count. It was
Okay.
half.
I keep
It's way down there.
So the winner I found is this ABD Alkahim Abku. This very long name.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
that's the one I have. I counted 4 times. The last 2 times I got the same result.
Yeah, last time.
Yeah, it was difficult because there were some replies. I had to open all the replies. So this is the winner from my channel. I'm going to comment. I will put a post out, a community post to say this person has won. What I will then ask them to do is to email me. I will then give them a PIN number and ask them to reply on the community post with the number I gave them. Okay, that confirms that is the right person's email address, it's the right person, and then this will go out. If for whatever reason this winner does not get back to me, then this will go up for grabs again. But I'm assuming they will just get in touch with me.
Yeah,
Okay?
if he took the time to write.
Took the time to write, I want to win. So there is the winner of the first one. That's Abdu Alcohol. I can't even say this, but.
ABD, Alka, yeah.
Our Kima Bulldog. Anyway, whoever you are, well done. You've won the first one.
Yeah. The second one is on its way.
And the second one is on the way. So the second one is going to one of you guys.
Yeah, I put the cutoff point at
Okay, I'm doing the last one now. I'm
1830.
doing the last thing now.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, and that's the last one.
That's the last one.
Yeah, so
Right,
perfect.
that's
Katha, you're in.
You're exactly in.
Yeah.
By a hair.
Yeah.
Good job.
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, that was unexpected.
Yeah.
Last one. Last one.
That's the last one.
Detlef has been writing
Just show
frantically.
people how many things are on this box.
He's been writing frantically for 1.5 hours. Poor guy.
Yeah. So that's everyone in the
Yeah,
box.
this
So
is
Yeah,
about, I'd say about a third of the box is filled with these little snippets now.
so what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to shake the box. Right, now you guys watching, you tell me when you think I've shaken it enough. Okay? You tell me when you think that's.
They want to see you shake it until you
Shake it, baby.
Drop.
Shake it, baby.
I see
Go,
you,
go,
baby,
baby.
shaking that ass.
we should have need music for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys, you can stop writing the "I want to win" because we're already shaking the box.
Yeah, pretty
Yeah,
much.
please stop writing.
I don't
this
want
now.
anything to come out of this. Let me go again. Bit more violently, yeah?
Yeah, there we go.
Something came out. Let me put it back in. Hold
Trying to
on.
escape.
Hold
Where
on.
did it go? Oh.
Okay, the escapey's gone back in again.
Okay.
I'll tell you what. Give me 1 moment. Let's
Okay.
make 1 moment.
I don't know what's going to happen now.
We don't know what is going.
I know what's gonna
Stop
happen.
now! Yeah,
I know what's gonna happen.
I would gone with the one that escaped.
No,
Shake
no,
it
no,
like
no,
a
no,
Polaroid
escapey.
picture. Now I know where it's going. This test an apple. Yeah, that's the thing there. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Oh well.
This is going to get some real shaking now, yeah?
Yeah, keep shaking. I'll be back next week. Yeah.
Okay, let's give this a really good shake now. So we
Yeah.
just,
No, it's not sponsored by PCBWay this time. We just had the box.
Yeah, this was the only box you could find.
okay, we
I'm
go
happy
again.
YouTube. I was thinking, oh, this is a big box. We don't need a big box like that.
To clarify, it's Banggood this time.
Yeah, yeah. PCBWay is just a.
Right, okay.
Yeah, sorry for the PCB apples.
I will provide some of the stuff to give out. Don't hurt yourself.
Are we happy with that?
Yeah.
That's not Captain Tape, says Martin.
No.
No, it's not. And it's not gaffer tape either. I was
Yeah.
trying to find the gaffer tape because
Yeah.
you do the thing with the gaffer tape.
Mm.
It's like the Force because it's got a light side, a dark side, and it binds the universe together.
Well, Mythbusters made a freaking boat out of it, so yeah.
Yeah.
It does work.
I mean, come on, if you were God, you'd use gaffer tape, wouldn't you?
Of course. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Okay, guys, so I hope you can all agree that was really, really shaken up.
Yep.
So I'm going to hold this high up now. Get me?
And I can't see.
In fact, no, put you right, listen.
I can't see a shit.
Right,
I'm
Ga-
sitting down.
no, guys, Do you want Det or Carlos to do it?
Oh yeah.
No, I wrote this stuff. Carlos needs to do that.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
Detlef can't feel his arms anymore.
Yeah.
Steer around, you get in there.
There we go. I have one.
We have one.
Yep.
We have one. A pink one.
A pink one. Who's won?
Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Let me see.
Sorry that.
You guys are all still there?
Yeah, they are in suspense.
You have worn the names off, yeah. Is the cat alive or dead? Who's the winner?
Hans Dampf.
Hans Dumpf.
Yeah, sounds like a German one.
Hans
yeah.
Dampf.
Yeah, Hans, you still there?
I don't see any hands.
Give him a moment. There's a delay.
Yeah,
It's
there's
about
a
20
delay.
seconds behind us.
Drum roll. Yeah, they're not even. Yeah.
Okay, that's still there. They're nearly there. They're nearly there.
Well, he doesn't have to be here. He's still won.
Yeah, and still one.
But yeah,
So switch to.
Hans has won. Hans has won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, he's still there. Hans.
Hans.
Congratulations, mate.
Congratulations, Hans.
Yeah.
Hans. Well done. Well done,
Clark.
Hans.
Yeah, yes, he's a German.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Can you put my email address on there? So Hans, you need to email me, and we'll chat. So I need your address. I'm going to give you, when you email me, so I know the email came from you, I'm going to give you a PIN number, which you post back. I'll tell you how to do it from your Hans Dampf account, so that we know it's from
Next
you.
time you listen to me and
Can't feel my hands anymore.
yeah, and that doesn't happen.
Where's my beer?
Put it straight into the chat.
Oh no, not the electronic channel. The
We want that.
learn.
No, we don't want that. We want.
Your.
I want my email address.
Yeah.
I tell you what it is.
Yeah, but I know where it is.
Right, put my email address into the comments here.
Yeah, it's going to appear. Wait for it. No, not community. Hey, shouldn't.
No,
there be
just type it into the comments.
Oh man, Hans
Where's
was
the about?
20 Kilometer von Düsseldorf.
Ah, there.
What?
There we go.
That's the channel for the channel name. It's
Yeah,
not my email address.
Don't you use that?
No, I need
just
this guy to
just
email me.
Okay,
Just get a notepad on there and type type of the email address.
Notepad. No.
Just go to the comments on this chat now.
No, but it's going to get flooded. Look at the comments.
Yeah, these are all nice people because they all are congratulations.
Yeah,
Congratulating Hans. This
Yep.
is community, guys. Perfect. Love it.
Congratulations, and we will be giving away a lot of more stuff in the future. And it's just that the
The
sponsors.
embedded hobbyist, I will comply. BST, I hope I can remember this. The embedded hobbyist says we should change the starting time to BST. I have no idea what BST is.
British summertime.
British summertime.
Yeah.
Summertime.
That's why I say UK time, so there's no confusion.
Okay.
So Richard
Learning
is
stuff here.
already on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, BST. Yeah, time zones are a pain in the ass.
Okay.
Okay,
Can we
Hans, you're still with us, right?
Hans, email me on this address, and then we'll do this thing so I can confirm it is you that's emailing me by giving you a PIN number, and then you can just comment back from your Hans account, okay? And then that is coming to you. They will not ship it until the 4th of May because of the holiday, the May holiday. But as soon as it's shipped, I will let you know, and I will give you the tracking number, and that's coming to you.
And that's lucky, Hans. You actually need it for work. Bang Olufsen.
He
Bow
said-
Center.
Nice one.
He needs it to fix Bang Olufsen's bow
Yeah,
center.
it would be great if you can come back, Hans, on the live stream, or let us know how you get on with it. You know what you think of that.
You can come back in 2 weeks. We'll have.
Well, it might take a bit longer to get to you, but yeah.
Yeah, but you can still report back.
You can still report
Or
back.
come and watch us.
The other winner, I can't remember your name, but we have shown it.
ABD. something.
ABD, whatever. If you happen to be watching this or watching the replay of this, the same thing. Email me on this, but I will put this out on the community post tomorrow to let you know you are the winner. You do need to get back to me. I need your address. Okay.
Conductive lube.
Well, Rick, if caught this, we already did the thing there.
We searched
Yeah,
and we found.
you can stop with the "I want to win now."
Exactly. So yeah, that went pretty well,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yeah,
That went pretty well.
Change camera.
Oh,
we
yeah.
have about 7 minutes left.
Yeah, we have still have 7 minutes left. Yeah.
You could do some talking, Dad.
No,
I can do
because
some talking. I
Pour-
need
pour
a
that
beer
left.
here.
Poor Detlef. No, we should have gone with my idea first.
You didn't tell me about your idea.
I told Richard.
Yeah, but it was too
And
late.
you didn't tell me about the
It was
idea.
really too late to do anything by then. It was really too late.
So
Now we have a whole box with
I could
little
have
plastic-
automated everything. oh well, for next time. Anyways, any final questions, guys, or something you want us to maybe
Look at this. I went to Germany and I
give
got
away?
this,
Oh.
got this t-shirt. Friend of me gave me that.
That man.
Yeah.
Awesome. Two soldering irons crossing
Yeah,
swords.
yeah, indeed. Yeah.
Awesome.
Let me. I'll give him. Oh, we have a bonus, guys. We have a bonus.
Oh, we have a bonus.
We have a
right.
bonus, yeah. So
Yeah.
for all of you who didn't win, if you want to buy one of these, we have another 25% off discount code. Do you have that, Dad?
You mean this? This is right in front of your face now.
This is right in front of your face now. So this is an Amazon code. So you should be able to buy from Amazon. Hopefully, that is the code. Again, I'll put this onto a community post tomorrow. So there you are. That's that.
That will get used to writing. Yeah, it will die next
I feel
time.
like Harry Potter and sitting in the brew of Dolores Umbridge.
Yeah. If for any reason either of the winners don't claim their prize, we will redraw.
Yeah.
So that will happen.
Keep
also.
the box.
Exactly. And sorry guys, and if I can just get this right to the end of it, I'll just show you something because this will give you a laugh. So you were asking about where we
That's
live.
a coupon for Amazon.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a coupon for Amazon. Okay,
25% off on the meter.
on the meter.
Yeah. On the where's mine?
You all got your fix?
Yeah, I had one here.
There's one here.
We have this is yours.
Oh yeah,
probably.
I'll give you that. Right. Yeah.
So for 25% off on the meter, what was it? 80 euros or so?
You get down to 70 something, 65 or something euros with a code. So this is yeah.
Multimeter / oscilloscope.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, let me go to the oscilloscope thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
And
The multimeter Commander Koning would use.
And so, Richard wants to show some horny stuff from the carnival.
yeah, people asking where we live. So
We can show that.
We can show that.
Yeah,
so,
we'll show
so
that.
this is the sort of thing we managed to film. So this is the carnival. So this is actually on one of the floats. Can you get this on screen?
You got on.
Yeah. Watch these two girls. Watch the one on the right when she turns round. Now watch what she does and watch what she is or isn't wearing. Okay, the blonde one on the right. Now watch it.
Yeah, she's not doing anything.
Come on. Yeah, here we go. Ready? Come on, girl. Go. No, here. There. So this is what happens in Gran Canaria. This is another good reason why you should live here.
That's 2 times a year or so.
This is once a year. This is the
This is the
this is the
carnival.
Las Palmas Carnival.
This was the Palmas.
And a little, yeah.
But it's in each city. It's going on once at least, so you can just wander with it.
Yeah, you can wander. You can go from city to city.
Yeah.
So
You can experience it 4 times, I think.
Yeah. We can leave this running, but Neil has a question. Does Gotchafix sell to the UK? Not sure with that. They're working on doing the Gotchafix things here on an European market.
I think
You maybe want to try this out and
if you ask in the Amazon link should work worldwide, but the Banggood one does not.
yeah, it is Banggood. I have spoken to him about this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, the Amazon link should be worldwide. Ask the seller.
Yeah.
Normally they say yes.
14 must be hot there. This was actually filmed in the middle of February.
Yeah, by the way, winter.
This is winter. This is
winter over here. Yeah.
This is winter over here.
Bear in mind they are drugged out of the skulls and very, very drunk.
No.
And also bear in mind, there's never any trouble. There's never any fighting.
It's just fun.
Yeah.
It's just fun. Everybody loves this. Yeah.
Yeah. Brian, you were born in Düsseldorf. Well, I wasn't. I was born in Hilden. This is rather
Near enough.
But Close enough, yeah, true.
Okay, so that's it. That's
Yeah.
all. And by the way,
Andy's optional, of course.
and by the way, that was Gran Canaria Uncovered. That's Deck Lefford and myself and my
Yeah.
wife. You see, it's filming.
That's the Richard's third channel.
Yeah.
Neil says I tried with Richard code before and it just said unavailable.
Yeah, okay.
If it says unavailable, it's because they don't ship to your country.
Yeah. So
Unfortunately.
we'll try to talk some sense into Banggood.
Yeah. We will try our best to
Sell
talk
to
some
Europe.
sense into them.
Otherwise, we can see if we can get Gotcha Fix sells on AliExpress as well.
Yes. Yeah. So we get some AliExpress links.
Competition. So I didn't say anything. Banggood didn't hear me.
No. Exactly.
So, are we on next week? Because then we would be in the normal rhythm again.
Do you guys want to see us in a week's time?
Yeah, let's ask the people, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
do
don't
you want us
have
back
the-
in 1 week?
The wife and the kid are not home. For
Oh, where
2
is
weeks.
Richard from in the UK? I'm from Stoke-on-Trent. I'm in from Stoke-on-Trent. That's where my native town is. See you guys in a fortnight.
Yeah, this takes a second to the people
Okay.
say, yeah.
And we're back to these two again. Look where he's put the Gotti fix, right in the wrong place.
Oh, sorry. Maybe I can shrink this. PM says you should be on next week.
Okay, next week it is, guys.
Yeah, we do one extra.
We'll do one extra to make up for the lost time.
Yeah, because Detlef was out of country,
Freezing.
freezing his balls off,
Yeah, totally.
and my back has been crap.
Krefeld.
So
Cheers, mate.
I haven't been able to do.
Don't go there in April. It's freaking cold.
Come in here.
Where?
The heating was
to Germany.
probably as old as the three of us together, and it was nearly around 20, 22, 24. Man, I so enjoy being back here.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, suffering and pain if you go to the cold.
This is the place to. It's a place to be.
Yeah.
Oh.
The code is in the.
So
wrong
guys,
place, yeah.
we all see you back in a week.
Oh, look.
Okay, I should get rid of the gotcha fix.
I found this as well.
You need to go full screen there.
Do I need to go full screen there? Okay, we can do that. We can just. Yeah, this was a bit strange, don't you think? This one.
Gravity defying boobs or,
I'm not sure they define it very much.
or defying gravity.
Okay, so that was us from Gran Canaria.
Yeah.
One more time. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you all soon. Yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye,
I have an
guys.
idea now.